Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some holographic stickers. First thing you got to do is make your stickers with whatever program you use, Photoshop, Cricut Design Space, and there's all kinds of other programs that you can use. And then you've got to print them out with your printer, and then you're going to take your holographic paper and use it as like a laminate. You're going to cut it to fit inside the four corners there on the paper. You see the four black corners. You want to cut your paper, your holographic paper, to fit inside those corners. So once you get it all measured and cut, you are going to then apply it on top of your stickers, just like I'm going to show you. So that the reason why you're going to go inside the four corners is because the black corners is what your Cricut cutting machine or any other cutting machine you're going to use is going to scan to cut these stickers out. So you don't want it to be overlapping, because then it won't be able to read them. So you're going to put your holographic paper over top of your sticker paper. And then once you've gotten that done and pressed down properly, you are going to then run the sticker paper through the Cricut. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you adjust how much pressure your cutting machine uses to get the cut that you're looking for. If you're looking for it just to go through the holographic paper and the top layer of the sticker paper, then you're going to want to use the cutting pressure that works for that. If you want to cut all the way through to the bottom and cut the stickers completely out, you'll have to use more pressure for that. I use the cardstock setting on mine, and it cut right through all of the layers so that the stickers were cut out completely. That's the method I was going for. Some people like to keep it as a sheet and just be able to peel the stickers up off of the backing, which is completely fine, but you're going to want to use less pressure for that. So once you're done with the cutting, you'll be left with your stickers, whatever kind of stickers you've made. Very cute, fun. I love making holographic stickers. For this project, I used the Shattered Mirror holographic sticker paper, but there are so many different kind of holographic papers for you to choose from. So look around, decide what you like. I bought a variety set of holographic paper, so I have holographic paper that you can print on and holographic paper that you put over top of your sticker paper, kind of like a laminate thing. I hope you guys found this video useful. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have an amazing day, everybody.